industry, of course, has changed over the course of many years. Decades ago, hardware used to be the center of the industry. In recent years, over the last 20 years, we've seen the shift towards more services and software content. And our business reflects that. We have been moving our business profile to be consistent with the way the market behaves, because the customers are asking for more services, more implementation capability. And of course, the software is what really defines the way their business operates. I think you have to back away from the buzzwords and look at where the customers are going. What problem are they trying to solve? And broadly, we see them trying to solve a couple of fundamental problems. One is business process integration and optimization, meaning they want their business to run with maximum efficiency. They want it to be seamless from end to end. They want to link together their activities, their people, the information. That's an important area. Things that we do around service-oriented architecture and business process management and process integration are critical. On the other side, they want to analyze what's happening, do a better job at becoming predictive. That's where the business analytics initiative comes from. Our initiative around Smarter Planet is really perhaps one of the biggest opportunities that we see over the next 10 years. And that initiative is focused on how do you bring information technology to bear on complex physical infrastructure kinds of problems. How do you improve the delivery of electricity, improve water, not just delivery, but improve the availability of fresh water, which is a critical issue around the world today. For example, when we've worked with power companies around the world, they'll increase the level of sensor devices they have on the power grid. We will work with them to collect that data, analyze it, understand what the patterns of use and wear are, and then they will do a better job of preventive maintenance. And consistently we have found that they have been able to justify and pay for all the IT investment. So we're essentially converting operational expenses in other categories over to spending money on information technology. And the benefit, of course, that they realize is better service to the customer, lower cost of operation. Obviously, from IBM's perspective, we're incenting the client to acquire more information technology, hardware, software, and services. What we see is that volumes are increasing, so scalability is important. Things are becoming more real-time, so everything that we do has to go faster, speed up. Those are important initiatives across the portfolio. Obviously, this idea of cloud computing has a lot of attention. I think what the customers are looking for is they're looking for different ways to leverage information technology capability. And you can buy it, implement it, and run it yourself, or perhaps somebody has an interesting online offering, and given today's high bandwidth telecommunications, maybe I can use that offering. But the customers are less interested in buying a cloud. They're really buying a business outcome, and they're looking for the best economics to achieve that business outcome. So we have a number of offerings in this area in IBM. We have our online collaboration platform called Lotus Live. We've just launched, and it's in its early support form right now, a developer cloud environment that allows customers to move some of their development work onto our infrastructure. We have a very big multi-billion-dollar business in IBM called Managed Business Process Services, where we actually help the customer re-engineer their process, and then we operate it on our equipment, on our premise, and it's in the area of financial services and accounting. We do human resources and supply chain types of applications around that. So a lot of these things that we're innovating around and doing more, both invention and innovation and delivery.